entrust my works to the sovereign. My tongue is the pen of a speedy writer. You are more handsome than the sons of men. Favor has been poured upon your lips. Therefore Elohim has brought you forever. There's your sword upon thy Almighty One, your excellency and your splendor, and right purposely in your splendor, on the matter of truth and humility. Righteousness, and let your right hand make known reverence. Your arrows are sharp in the heart of the sovereign's enemies. Peoples fall under you. Your throne, O Elohim, is forever and ever. The scepter of your reign is a scepter of straightness. You have loved righteousness and hated wickedness. Therefore, Elohim, your Elohim, has anointed you with oil of gladness more than your companions. All your garments are myrrh and aloes, cassia out of the palaces of ivory. Stringed instruments have made you glad. Daughters of sovereigns are among your precious ones. At your right hand stands the sovereigness in gold from Ophir. Listen, O daughter, and see, and incline your ear, and forget your own people and your father's house, and let the sovereign delight in your loveliness. Because he is your dawn, bow yourself to him, and the daughter of Sor with a gift. The rich among the people seek your favor. The daughter of the sovereign is all esteemed within. Her dress is embroidered with gold. She is brought to the sovereign in embroidered work. Maidens, her companions following her, are brought to you. They are brought with gladness and rejoicing. They enter the sovereign's palace. Instead of your fathers are your sons, whom you appoint princes in all the earth. I cause your name to be remembered